The green 1996 Quad Runner 250 got its first run after Christmas. I didn't take any video, so these are some still shots and a little bit of video taken from my son-in-law. His three oldest kids can ride the Pee-wee 50, the youngest one can't, she can sit on it and wave. All of them are too young to reach the pedals on the Quad Runner. They know how to use the throttle on the Quad Runner and insist on doing so when they're dinked around. I've got 4 kids and currently 10 grandkids, another one on the way. They provide plenty of motivation to restore these old bikes when you see them on them. I've got a little bit more work to do on Abigail's smoking habit. Well, I hope you had a great year. I have. And merry fucking everything for the next year. Get out to your shed and have some fun.